It's your boy EYE, Green Goblin. I wrote some bars. First of all, I get it poppin' like a Percocet. Me and my niggas come through and have to murk your set. Don't get it twisted, niggas. We all merciless. And when we get the dough, we all earn the shit. And when we hit the club, we all burn the shit. Take baby girl to the back, close curtain shit. You niggas unemployed, I'm on that working shit. You niggas going run your mouth, I'm on that murder shit. Yeah, I leave these motherfuckers fascinated. I handle business, nigga. You just procrastinating. I'm fucking bitches, nigga. You just be masturbating. Everywhere you go, you hear my voice. I know it's aggravating. You need to calm down. Why you agitating? How a nigga cheapin'? It's like I'm half Jamaican. They working for the pigs, fry 'em up like some bacon. I just keep it real, but all these other niggas keep on faking. See, all they yip yapping, that's for the bitch niggas. See, I don't say much, but ain't no bitch nigga. Cause being that'll have you left up in a ditch, nigga. Middle of the night, no clothes, cold shit, nigga. But honestly, dawg, that's just reality. I'm working on the mills, you want a salary. You niggas talking mighty, but acting cowardly. Bitch, you don't know any shit, they need to shower me. I'm EYE up in the VIP. Find the cushion bad bitches, yeah, they be by me. Might be young in the club, but they don't see ID. Had to pay a little extra for the VIP. And when I get the bitches, it's so miraculous. Her name was Patty, so I flipped it like a spatula. Money in my wallet, push up in my pocket. I'm about to blast off like a fucking rocket. Bitch, you don't know that a nigga makes the profits. You ain't up on my level, nigga, you should stop it. You niggas snitches on the low, top shit. And I don't say much, I let the Glock spit. I'm a hot nigga, no top it. You niggas at the bottom, how you gon' top this? I be riding, baby girl, I be rolling on my shit. I got on shoulder niggas acting like they know 'em, but I'm on top of shit, trying to be autonomous. Pockets sitting fat, looking like a hippopotamus. You the type of nigga that be liking in the comments. I be out riding dirty, you do what your mama says. Just cause I know your mom, I'm not the padre. They told me stop rapping, I said stop me. I blow a tree and count money my way. If you don't like that, you can chink, I do my dread. Get it? Motherfucker, cause you know I got it. Don't make me have to mob on your nigga John Gotti. My niggas to the side, they all down the rob. You try to fight us off, nigga, that's suicide. I'm feeling mighty, nigga. Call me Super I. 2 words explain me. Super sly. Oh, you said I can't rap, that's a stupid lie. Cause all I need is a bottle and a bitch, cause I'm super high. In the industry, they better watch out. Cause all my shit hits, I'm talking knockouts. You better play some D, I'm talking box out. Jam with your clam and I'ma rock with my cock out. I got the key to the game and I'm locked out. I got the shit done, you niggas talk loud. Your girlfriend said, Matt with the cock out. She suck it so good that a nigga had to knock out. One of a kind, I be grinding, making money. You niggas talk like you got it, but you niggas funny. I'm gonna make it to the top, other niggas dropping. I'ma make it, pussy nigga losing ain't an option. Bitch nigga EYE, CYE, whole